Effective contact organization is key, and exporting Redmi contacts to Excel helps you sort and manage them efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to do it. Part 1. Export Redmi contacts to Excel via MobiKin software error-free. Managing contact data from a Redmi phone becomes simpler when using MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac to export information into Excel-friendly formats. How-to guide. Utilize a USB cable to link your Redmi phone to the computer. Launch the software, and once it is open, activate USB debugging on your Redmi to ensure it can be recognized. Once your Redmi is detected, all file categories from your phone will be displayed on the left panel. Click on Contacts, All Contacts, to access your contact list on the right side. Select the contacts you wish to back up. Then click Export to CSV to save them to your PC or Mac. Part 2. Export Redmi phone contacts to Excel via Google account. Sync Redmi contacts to Google via Settings, Accounts, Google. On a computer, go to contacts.google.com, select Contacts, click More Export, and open the CSV in Excel. Part 3. Export contacts in Redmi to Excel via Export phone contacts to Excel. Install Export phone contacts to Excel from Google Play. Open the app, grant permissions, and tap Export to save contacts as an Excel file. Choose the save location or email it. Open the file in Excel on your computer. Part 4. Export contacts from Redmi phone with vCard to CSV Converter. Export contacts as a vCard (vCF) from Redmi's Contacts app. Install a vCard to CSV Converter. Add the vCF file, preview contacts, and convert to CSV. Save the file and open it in Excel.